Hey guys, welcome back to Lunata Beauty's channel. Today I'm going to show you different ways to curl the hair using the Belisa Cordless Curling Iron and Cordless Curling Wand. So we're going to get started by brushing out Sam's hair. We're going to heat up our curling wand. I'm going to show you two styles with the wand on one side and two styles with the curling iron on the other. So this guy goes up to 400, but Sam's got fine hair, so I'm probably only going to do 360. So to get started, I'm just gonna clip away the other side of her hair just so I know I'm working. And first things first, I'm gonna do the twisted curl. So I'm gonna take a section of her hair, and it's like exactly what it sounds like. You take it and twist it. So I'm gonna hold my iron on an angle, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my barrel. And I'm gonna let the curl just kind of fall into my hand and down softly. And you can see that little bit of a twist it creates. For my second type of curl, I'm doing an old Hollywood style. It's really soft, it's really romantic, very glamorous. This is really fun for like a night out or a wedding. Take your cordless wand, put it right under at the root, and I'm gonna wrap all of the hair nice and flat underneath. So for this guy, I'm gonna let that out. And I'm gonna use the new Belisa creaseless clip to set my style. So I'm gonna pull it up, and I'm just gonna tuck this curl under, because the key is to have that bit of volume right at the root. For the other side, we're gonna go in with the Belisa Cordless Curling Iron. So I've also set this guy to 360. With any of the Belisa tools, you just wanna let it heat up till it gets to the desired temperature. Takes about 20 seconds, it's really quick. So I'm gonna show you how to do a nice beachy wave on this side. So for my beach waves, I really like to come in and clamp right at the root. And again, because I'm using a titanium barrel, I'm gonna make sure I'm moving down the hair strand, and then I'm gonna come up, and I'm gonna take it and twist it. And when this is repeated all the way around the head, it just creates a really soft, lived-in texture. So you can really see the differences in all the curls we've got going here. And our last curl is sort of another rendition of the Hollywood curl. So I'm gonna take my iron, clamp it under, and I'm gonna bring it all the way to the end of the hair strand. And as I work up, just kind of like allow the ends of the hair to get inside the clamp so it doesn't create any kinks in it. And then once that guy is done, you're just gonna take it out, and again, let it sit. I'm gonna show you what each curl pattern looks like when it's set. So now that the curl is cooled down, I'm just gonna take out the clip, and you can see how it creates that soft, really beautiful S-shaped wave. Now when I pull out my twisted wave, you can tell that that's a little bit softer, a little bit more natural looking. And then we've got our beachy wave. And then we've got another rendition of the old Hollywood glam wave. And again, it's giving me that S shape. Thanks for watching, guys.